was too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she put the love, I can't cuff it because she was born to be needed. No niggas who talk about my favorite, but really them niggas get beat. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for a kiss if I'm out in the beat it. While I'm in my tuxedo, just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm poppin', blew up in the morning, just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up every day, I be watching, so I know I pass those. I know she pretty, but I cannot have her cause my brother had those. And it's sad though, like Yachty one night, about the part where I ghost her. She said that she won't take pictures, I said it's alright, I don't care if you post them. Her friends in my DM, they tryna get at me, but I try my best not to boast them. She said those parties be lit, I said baby, I'm strapping no holster. I need my baby to ride with a youngin', like they put the Glock in a purse on me. They'll go from riding in Cadillac coupes to riding in them Cadillac